Hey everyone, this is Robert here. I just wanted to give a small update on a project that I'm working on, which is basically to build a small home lab. I thought I would show you now what it currently looks like and then kind of take you through what I'm going to plan to do with this over the next couple of weeks. So this is my home lab setup. It's a StarTech 8 unit desk unit. It's really good. It was really cheap, and it functions really well in the living room. The bottom has my Synology RS812 RAID array, and basically it has 3 hard drives in, 2 hot swap trays. The other 2 I'm waiting for. These use the R2 type. They're not actually that common anymore because it's a fairly old unit. But like I said, I repaired it. Didn't cost me anything, and it works really well for using for Plex and media and my ingest server. So since I can plug in a little device into this and have it transfer everything automatically. Above that we have a Zixtel 24 port switch. It's not all hooked up yet, but this is going to hook up to the rest of the devices in the apartment. This is basically completely quiet. Right now there's just one link to it, which is basically the internet, which comes from the UDM Pro. The UDM Pro acts as my firewall, and my basically the internet goes into that. All the devices right now actually connect to the UDM Pro directly, so they're basically all receiving like 10,000 or 1,000 depending on the receiving end. My computer's receiving 960 megabits a second on this right now, which is awesome. Above that we have a grounded power strip, which is basically powering the stuff that's in the rack, as well as my Philips Hue plug here. I hate these plugs, they're really huge, but I'll see if I can find something else for that. And also my PoE D-Link switch, which is going to be powering some Raspberry Pis using PoE. If you can buy the PoE hats for the Raspberry Pis, they look like this. These are really awesome. This is going to basically become a PoE enabled Pi hole. That's going to be what this project is for, since I want to play with that. And that's what my home lab looks like. And the Wi-Fi comes out of my UDM Pro and up to a Unify Nano. So this provides really good. I haven't actually screwed this up to the wall yet. This has been over the last few weeks putting this together, and it's a part of an upgrade project. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to know your thoughts and things that you would like to see. I plan some videos on this at some point. I do have access to a data center, but this home lab is part of not just learning and studying at home, but also to basically do stuff for the home, like media servers and storage and things like that, and powering the Philips Hue systems and the Alexa system and everything else that we have. So it's kind of like a whole smart home, and you know, I'm really into that. So but I hope to show you the data center at some point. So I'll see you in the next little update video.